Robocalls are automated recorded phone messages. They are the bane of everyone with a phone. Robocalls are illegal and in most cases the number one complaint by far to the FTC. Stopping robocalls has proven to be very difficult. Part of the problem is that it is simple and cheap to set up computers to make robocalls. Robocalls use spoof numbers that may appear to come from your city, but in fact may be coming from anywhere in the world. Robocalls are a growing vector for cybercrime attacks, including phishing and government-related scams. Robocall scams also piggyback on current events, like tax time or the COVID pandemic. As with all scams, robocalls use social engineering claiming authority and using threats to create fear and a sense of urgency. They range from the relatively mundane car warranty ad to a constant barrage of threats involving lawsuits and suspension of Social Security benefits. Robocalls have a call to action, some instructions for you to follow. If you are on the line, the instructions might include pressing a number to connect to a person or to be removed from the call list. You certainly don't want to talk to a scammer. And pressing a number to be removed from the call list will only likely result in you verifying your number as active with someone who answers the phone. Your best bet is to not answer a robocall at all. If you answer a robocall, just hang up. Currently, there is no way to effectively stop all robocalls. Cellular providers are working on some solutions, so visit your provider's website to learn more about the apps they offer you as a customer. You can also use third-party apps in your app store. Most third-party apps require paying an annual subscription fee. The bottom line is don't fall for robocalls. Robocalling is illegal, so by definition, a robocaller is a criminal, not a legitimate person, business, or organization. The IRS and the Social Security Administration do not use automated phone messages to relay threats to citizens. Lawyers don't randomly call and threaten lawsuits. And anyone selling a product is breaking the law with a robocall, which should make you wonder how honest they are to begin with. Remember, robocalls spoof phone numbers so the area code and number do not indicate where the calls are coming from. Best bet, don't answer. Otherwise, hang up when you get one.